Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we learn antonyms. So the first antonym is, which one of the following is antonym of ally, which while others are synonyms? Its answer is option D, dullness. Next question is, which one of the following is antonym of welter while others are synonyms? Its answer is option D, order. Next question is, which one of the following is antonym of flaunt while others are synonyms? So its answer is option A, cover. Next question, which one of the following is antonym of peak wine while others are synonyms? Its answer is option C, closal. Next one, it's repeated. Next है, which one of the following is antonym of raucous while others are synonyms? Its answer is option B, subdued. And the last antonym of this video is, which one of the following is antonym of apocryphal while others are synonyms? Its answer is option A, genuine.